Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a feature that makes managing your WhatsApp messages on PC even more convenient, enabling text previews in notifications on WhatsApp web. This feature allows you to quickly glance at incoming messages without having to open the app, saving you time and keeping you updated on the go. To get started, open WhatsApp web by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface that mirrors the mobile app. Now let's dive into the steps to enable text previews. First, locate the gear icon at the bottom left side of the screen. This is where you access the settings for WhatsApp web. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, you'll see several options, but we're interested in the Notifications tab. Click on Notifications to proceed. In the Notifications settings, you'll find an option to enable text previews. This feature is straightforward. It allows you to see a snippet of the message in your notifications, giving you a quick idea of what the message is about. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to the text preview option. By enabling this feature, you can stay informed about incoming messages without interrupting your workflow. Whether you're working from home or in the office, this feature ensures you're always connected without needing to constantly check your phone. Now that you've enabled text previews, let's talk about why this feature is so useful. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying connected is crucial, but so is managing your time efficiently. With text previews, you can quickly decide whether a message requires an immediate response or if it can wait. Before we wrap up, take a moment to explore other notification settings available in WhatsApp web. You can customize your notification experience further by adjusting options like sounds and group notifications to suit your preferences. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled text previews in WhatsApp web notifications on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.